There it is, load number 2. Let's go get another. Load number 3, guys. Handcuffs, 1,000 pairs of handcuffs getting dumped off on this load. And then a bunch of light. There's all the handcuffs. Gone. Let's go dump the light now. Let's go get another load. All right, guys. Got 2 pallets of electronics on the truck right now. Got to pick these up, get them off. And once they're off the truck, I'll show you a little bit better. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but you'll be able to see a little bit better when they're off the truck, everything that's there. Got to start scrapping this all out. A lot of computers down here. Down on the bottom there's a whole couple rows of computers, bunch of laptops. There's a bunch of battery backup units in there, like surge protectors. They got 2 nice batteries in there and some pretty thick copper wire. A lot of printers. And I got 3 more pallets to pick up, but I'm gonna have to pick them up tomorrow. Let me get this off and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, guys, I know the light is probably drowning this out a little bit, but let me come on this side. There's 1 pallet all stacked up. Here's all the rest of the stuff. That's got to end up on a pallet. Battery backups down there. Couple computers up here on the top. Let me get this one out of the way. I'll load up the next one and show you. Alright, guys, here's the second pallet, all piled up. In that bag right there is a projector that works. 2 brand new ink toners for a laser printer. All these phones down in here work. All these phones right here are brand new. And the rest is mostly junk to get scrapped out. These paper shredders, they work also. They just need power cords. I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. I also picked up this TV stand here. Commercial, heavy duty, on wheels. It works nice, nothing wrong with it. That's gonna get sold. They bring pretty good money. I sold a few of them before. Here's that pallet we just brought in. There's no shortage of material here to go through, guys. Piled all the way to the ceiling. Stuff for scrap, stuff for sale, junk just to go through. Some things I don't even know what's in them yet. All that up on the top there, those are all clothes. All gonna get sold. I picked this up. Nice little cabinet on wheels. Pallet of books. I just brought this in 2 days ago. Got to sort through that, get those sent off to Amazon, and the rest on eBay. Alright guys, let me go and I want one more thing I want to show you in this video. A nice pile of copper. And then I'm going to end it and get it out to you. Here's everything that came out of those condensing units. That small load, the first load at the beginning of this video. This is everything that was included with that when I picked it up. Got to break them all down. Cut all this copper pipe apart. Copper's down right now, so we're just stockpiling the radiators, aluminum, filling up Gaylords, just stockpiling everything right now. I just wanted to show you everything that was here that came in that one load. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. I want to get this one out to you. Thank you.